Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a subtask in Wrike. In Wrike, subtasks allow you to break down complex tasks into manageable components. I'm going to walk you through the processes on how to create a subtask. The first thing I like to do is to navigate to the task where you want to add a subtask. So here is the task. Then once you click on the task, let's say I want this to be my tax. All right, so click on the add sub item button. If there are existing subtasks, just go ahead and click on plus item at the bottom of the sub item list. So here you go. This is the tax that I want to work on, that I want to add a sub tax to, and this is sub items. So there are already existing sub items here. So I'm just going to click on that sub items button, and here are sub items. So I'm just going to click on this plus item again to add a sub tax. So begin by typing the name of the new tax. So I have sub item, another sub item. This is going to be like third sub item. So there's like, I'm going to name this third sub item, and there you go. So press enter to create the tax, and that tax has been created. Now this method allows you to quickly add a subtax directly within the parent tax, and that's pretty much how it works. Okay, another one is to convert an existing tax into a subtax, and I'm going to walk you through the process of doing that. So if you have an existing tax that you want to make a subtax, just go to the folder, the project space containing the tax, and head over to the top corner, set it to table view so it can be in the table view. So the next thing to do is to click and hold the drag to reorder icon next to the tax you want to convert, and drag the tax and drop it over to the tax that should become its parent. So let's say I want evaluate to be a subtax for monitor, and I'm just gonna move it down here and allow that to go. I don't know. Okay, so I'm just going to evaluate, and I just want to drag this. I'm trying to get the some table view. Okay, top person get selected. All right. Okay, so we're back on. So let's say I want evaluate to be inside monitor. So I'm just gonna move it, and you see that this has been created as a subtax under monitor. So that's pretty much how it works as an alternative option. So this action particularly nested the tax under the selected parent tax. All right, so you can also create subtax from text. Highlight lines of text in a tax description or comment, then click the create sub items icon that appears, and each highlighted line becomes a separate subtax. This feature is useful for quickly generating multiple subtax from a list. Now, first off, you need to ensure you have the necessary permissions to create or modify tax in subtax. Be mindful of the tax structure to maintain clarity in project organization. And assignees of subtax will receive notifications based on their notification settings. So by effectively utilizing subtax, you can enhance tax management and improve team collaboration within Wrike. So you can just go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.